You've probably seen the flashy ads for Nivie Tan Drops popping up everywhere: Instagram, TikTok, even YouTube, claiming to give you glowing bronzed skin without stepping into the sun. Just a few drops in your drink daily and within 1 to 3 weeks, they say you'll have hydrated skin, boosted natural melanin, and a golden glow with no streaks, no fake tan smell, and no effort. It honestly sounds like magic in a bottle. But if you're like me, you're probably wondering, is this the real deal? Or just another overhyped product using slick marketing to lure people in? So I went deep into the claims, tested the drops myself, and uncovered some things you need to know before spending your money. First, the company claims over 11,000 glowing reviews, but when I looked closer, many of those reviews seemed generic, overly positive, and possibly filtered. Then there's what Trustpilot has to say. And let's just say it paints a very different picture, with customers complaining about slow shipping, questionable ingredients, and zero results. It gets sketchier. Several users pointed out that the same looking product is being sold on Temu for a fraction of the price, raising serious concerns that Nivie might just be slapping a new label on cheap imported drops. There are also fake media logos all over their website suggesting coverage from big outlets like Vogue and Elle, but when I searched, I couldn't find a single real article backing those claims. On top of that, they use super aggressive countdown timers and only a few left messages, which feel more like pressure tactics than a trustworthy shopping experience. And those before and after photos? Many look like they were taken under different lighting or even edited to exaggerate results. Now, I did actually test the product myself for a few weeks, followed the instructions exactly, drank it daily, and monitored my skin. I didn't break out, but I also didn't notice any major transformation. My skin felt a little more hydrated, but there was no dramatic glow or visible tanning effect, at least not enough to justify the price. So is Nivie Tan Drops legit or a scam? Honestly, it's somewhere in the middle. It's not totally fake, but it's definitely not delivering the kind of results they promise. If you're thinking of buying it, I'd say proceed with caution and don't fall for the hype without doing your own research.